Today we're gonna try it out plain and simple comfort food. It's like kind of like Filipino food, and let's go in and check it out. So this is the pork cheese. It's like spicy with like sauce with like scrambled egg with maybe stir fry with like crispy pork. This is the chicken in naso, grilled chicken with egg. And this is the purple yam waffle. And this is the beef tapa, and let's try it out. Chicken in sazo, have a chicken with some white sauce on it. It looks so good, it's so hard. Temperature wise. It has the yogurt sauce. It's a grilled chicken, not spicy. It's very soft, not very soft and moist, not dry. It's very flavored too. It's like kind of like a little bit spicy. Oh, this is awesome good. It has some la spice. It tastes, first time I tried Filipino, so it's just so good. I love this one, grilled chicken. And they have a little salad too. Beef tapa, it looks like beef patter. Oh. It's a lot of beef too. They give you beef and a sauce. So let's open up. Oh, it may be sweet and sour. Let's try this sauce. Yeah, sweet and spicy sauce is good. Smells so good too. Oh, the beef is definitely good. Like it's moist, not dry, and definitely not rubbery. And this one, they give you an egg on top, and then on top this is the garlic rice. Oh, I wish we can upgrade all the rice to garlic. It tastes so good. It's very strong garlicky taste on it. I definitely like the beef. Like anyone who doesn't like rubbery and doesn't feel super like, even though it looks like beef jerky right here, but it's not beef jerky. It's very moist, very tender, and very not rubbery at all. I'm loving this as well. And it's not salty too, by the way. Not chewy. This is the asado sticks. Let's look at it. Oh, look at all this. It's similar. They have like lettuce, avocado, tomato, cilantro, probably white yogurt sauce, and beef. Looks like a grilled beef too. It's a big one giant roll. It's like all together. It's so huge. This is so huge. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell very strong cumin on it. It's so awesome good. Oh, and the bread is so soft, and they toast it. It's like super soft, crispy, and the beef itself is dry roll, that with dry roll, but it has a cumin on it. And again, the beef is not rubbery. Actually, it's a little bit rubbery than the beef tapa, but it tastes so good. Very strong flavor, not chewy. My God, this is so good. And now here's the favorite part. This is the waffle. Oh my God, so purple too. Oh, let's take it. Oh my God. This is the purple yam. Oh, the whole thing. And then they have the syrups too. And give you a little cream as well. Look at this. Inside is all purple yam. I guess purple is because usually waffle can taste a very strong, like a better, like a sour taste, because they add ubi on it. They have the ubi sauce right here. You see there's a ubi sauce syrups there. It's not super, I mean the sauce itself a little bit super, but if you put on a waffle, it's super good. And then because they have the waffle mixed to it, you don't taste much better. The waffle better, like the sour taste. It's just so good. I would highly recommend to it. And lastly, pork sitchets, and it's basically scrambled egg mixed with spicy, crispy pork, and it says should be a little bit spicy with some onions. Oh. So they cut, I think because they cut the pork in this little dice, I think the skin itself is no longer crispy, but overall, it's so good. It's very hot taste. It's just the skin is a little bit hard. I definitely love this place. First time I've been to Filipino, the food is so awesome good. Look at the purple yam breakfast waffle. This definitely tastes different than a traditional waffle because of the purple yam. More a little bit sweet on the waffle itself. Yeah, this one is definitely good. It's just like downside the skin is a little bit hard. Otherwise, the whole thing is like mixed well with onions, scrambled egg, herbs. It's like so good. Yeah, if you get to it here in Jersey, come check it out. It's awesome good. Only like a couple seats, so make sure you can take to go or sit here with a couple tables. So this is the purple yam cheesecake. It looks really huge. The whole thing is like all cream cheese with purple yam. So let's try it out. It smells so sweet. Oh, inside is very soft. It's cold. Doesn't feel like American cheesecake's hard. It's like soft kind of thing. Oh, it's really good. It's awesome good. Awesome good. With the purple, you can taste like some purple yam taste too. Yeah, unlike the American cheesecake, this is like softer. This cheesecake is very huge and it's cheaper than the American cheesecake price, and then you have Ubi on it. It's like super awesome good deal. And they have like Ubi like syrup on top too on the cheesecake and a little bit cream on it. And the cream they use here is a light cream, doesn't feel heavy at all. And this cheesecake is cold, feels so refreshing after eating the. So this is a purple yam tapioca boba drink, and the top is very solid, and on the bottom is more like a tapioca here. It's like slushy ice. Oh, that mint on it too. I feel like the mint is cover up the purple yam. I cannot taste much purple yam anymore. The tapioca, I could taste the purple yam very strong. But this is good. This is the hollow feels like have some ice, a lot of ingredient at the bottom, Ubi ice cream, cornflake, and white ice cream. I feel like if I open it, it's gonna explode, dropping. Okay, luckily it didn't fall down. So let's try the Ubi ice cream. Oh, the Ubi is not, this thing is not really ice cream, it's actually the purple yam itself. And this is the actual ice cream. This is a purple yam, the real purple yam, like with the shaved ice. This one is a little bit hard to eat. They should put on a bowl. And all the stuff is on the bottom, so it's so hard to scoop. I cannot even scoop on the bottom yet. I feel like the syrup is dropped on the bottom. The ice become no taste because it's so hard to scoop. So I cannot even tell. There's some milk on it, light touch of coconut. Once you get into the bottom, it has more taste now. It has beans, jello. Purple yam cookie we got at the earlier today. It's super soft and super heavy, super thick. And it costs like $5 each. And let's open and check it out. It's a Ubi. So it has Ubi and which is purple yam and white chocolate chips. And let's cut in half and see how it looks like. Oh, super soft. Wow. Wow. All purple. Full of purple inside. So let's cut some and try it out. Wow. So easy to cut. How it smells like. Very strong purple yam. Wow. Oh. This is awesome good. It's super soft. I think inside the center, I feel like it's a little liquid gel. It's not liquid, but it's like a jelly there. And then outside is like a soft cookie dough. It tastes very interesting and it's not super sweet too. And you can taste the cookie and then purple yam. Oh, it's definitely interesting. I wonder if the center is the purple yam, like the actual like purple yam paste they saw in the center. It's very different, the texture, than the this center texture right here is different than the texture in here and here. This is more like a cookie style. In the center, it feels like a little paste there. Oh, loving this. Even though it's like expensive, $5, but think about the size. It's that thick, and normally like purple yam is very expensive too. So I feel like this is like worth it. So if you live nearby like New Jersey, you should definitely swing by this like little Filipino. It's not really a restaurant because technically no one's servicing you, so it's good to like check it out. It's very good. I highly recommend it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next